Welcome to 3421 Ellengale Drive, located in the highly desirable Erindale neighborhood of Mississauga. This stunning 4-bedroom, 5-level backsplit semi-detached home offers the perfect blend of comfort, convenience, and style. Step inside to a beautiful hardwood floor throughout, with fresh paint giving the home a bright and inviting atmosphere. The updated kitchen is perfect for family meals, complete with modern finishes and plenty of counter space. Looking for extra space? The fully finished basement comes with a separate entrance and walkout, offering endless possibilities, whether it's a rental apartment or additional living space for the family. Enjoy a large backyard, perfect for outdoor gatherings or simply relaxing in privacy. Located just minutes from top-rated schools including Woodland High School, as well as a library, GO station, bus station, and shopping mall. Everything you need is just around the corner. Do not miss out on this amazing opportunity to own a piece of this sought-after neighborhood. Schedule your private tour today with me, Realtor Pradeep Jasi, at 416-629-3480. Or you can also visit my website at www.pradeepjasi.com.